Imagine a prehistoric world where the tables were turned and it was the crocodiles that hunted the dinosaurs. That's the stunning reality revealed by a groundbreaking fossil discovery in Argentina. Scientists have unearthed the remains of a colossal, terrifying relative of modern crocodiles that was an apex predator, dominating its ecosystem with brute force and a devastating bite. This isn't just another fossil find. It's a window into a brutal chapter of prehistory where a reptilian nightmare ruled the land. And this is the part most people miss. This monstrous hunter wasn't even a dinosaur itself. The newly identified species has been christened Kostensuchus atrox, a name that perfectly captures its fearsome nature. The title pays homage to the fierce Patagonian wind, known as Kosten to the region's native Tehelchi people, and Souchos, an Egyptian deity with the head of a crocodile. The species name, atrox, is Latin for fierce or savage, leaving no doubt about its character. The discovery was made in Argentina's fossil-rich Chorrillo formation, a geological site that acts as a time capsule from the very end of the Cretaceous period, approximately 70 million years ago. But here's where it gets controversial. Some might assume this era was dominated solely by T-Rex and its kin. However, this find proves that other reptilian lineages were evolving into equally formidable and terrifying predators, challenging the dinosaurs' top dog status in certain habitats. At that time, southern Patagonia was not the arid landscape we know today. Instead, it was a warm, seasonally humid environment crisscrossed by freshwater floodplains. A paradise teeming with life, including dinosaurs, turtles, frogs, and early mammals. And lurking in this lush world was K. atrox. The fossil itself is a paleontological treasure. It was found largely intact, which is exceptionally rare. Researchers recovered a beautifully preserved skull and jaws, complete with visible details of its massive teeth, alongside multiple bones from its body. This incredible level of preservation allowed scientists to reconstruct the creature's life with remarkable accuracy. By comparing the recovered bones to the complete skeletons of modern caimans and alligators, researchers estimate this hypercarnivore reached an intimidating length of about 3.5 meters, 11.5 feet, and weighed roughly 250 kilograms, 551 pounds. It possessed a wide, powerfully built jaw equipped with large, sharp teeth, specifically designed for a diet of meat, and lots of it. This leads us to a fascinating and slightly gruesome detail. Scientists believe K. atrox teeth had specialized shearing edges. This adaptation allowed it to not just puncture, but also efficiently slice through the flesh of what the study describes as sizable prey. This feature, combined with its massive body and powerful build, points to a lifestyle of hypercarnivory, meaning over 70% of its diet was comprised of meat. It was likely capable of taking down and devouring even medium-sized dinosaurs that shared its environment. In fact, Kostensuchus atrox is now recognized as the second largest predator discovered at the fossil site, cementing its role as one of the absolute top predators in its ancient Patagonian ecosystem. This discovery significantly expands our understanding of the predatory players in these high-latitude terrestrial ecosystems, just before the asteroid impact that would wipe out the dinosaurs. So what do you think? Does the idea of a crocodile-like dinosaur hunter change your perception of the Cretaceous food chain? Were creatures like K. atrox more dominant than we've previously given them credit for? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comments. We're curious to hear if you agree with this fierce interpretation of prehistory.